just got home and bringing all the flowers that I have. This one came from Daniel, my advisory class. And classmate sila. This also came from Ben. Kani Ben. So, classmate. And napagid ni siya another na classmate. Dapat ay la. Nara, classmate. Sige, pause ate. Oh. Thank you for teaching us to be prepared and for helping me grow into good citizen. From Gavin Gray. Ako ni siya Cub Scout. Kaya ako ni siya ikip ang ilahang mga flowers. Ilahang mga message. Wala, hindi na okay. And this one, flower. Wala na ko kay ba kung, they name. From Cara. Cara kaya, grade 5 din siya. Grade 5, San Lorenzo. And kani, wala na ko kay ba kung asan dito ng uban kay wala yung name. And also this one, kanindot sa rose. And pag yun, nice kayong rose color pink. And flowers. Wow, ka nice. White rose. And some flowers. So, kapag yun. So, wala na ko kay Bao kung asa nagikan kay hatag naman lang sila. Wag may names. Kapa. Kapag yun. Nice one. Nakakani kay Bako. This is from Joanna sa Langsang. And, ka-remember ko. Kaniwat na sa ko ka-remember kung kinsa ni gikan. And also this one. Don't worry kay ako rin siya kung ano. Nanyan, ikon ako sa altar. Diba? Badaghan kayo flowers. Ako yun ang fresh flowers. Amot nasa ng kuanani. Ang buwak. Sanga na lang o daw na nabilin. So ako na lang na siya itanong. Uy! Color blue! I don't know, anong color blue ni siya nga buwak? Gipintalan siguro na niya. And, ipa, some plastic papers kani made of kanang bago karon. And this is from Denise from grade 5. And apa, I don't know kung asa ni siya gikan. Diba? Nice one. Asa manigikan? Kasi manigikan ha? Dili na dyan na ako makuan. Sa kanidawat na lang ko. And flowers. Ilahin ako ang fresh flowers. Kaya ako na siya ilakang sa altar. Oh! Pink color. Nice. And apa? Red. Nice. And dapat good. Color pink. And dapat good. Wow. Ito sa maning. Uy, actually daddy color pink. Naghatag ni si Ayesha. Si Luis. This is from Ayesha. Naghatag ni Luis sa iya. Kanigaw, ano ko pinsan ni kasi may pinaghatag na ko ani ay. Super cute. Sibutang rin ako siya gari. And dapat yun. Napatulo na. And then hello. This is from walay name. Ito naghatag na ko ano ay. Chandaran from Luke. From Luke on. And this one is from the SSG officers. And this one is from Marie. Kay Marie, ako na niya nabasa yung letter. May letter. And chocolate. And marker. And a ref magnet. Pwede na matingog diya, anak. Pwede na matingog. And napag yun. Or this is from Zane. Ako, Cub Scout. So, I think ang sulod ani kay mga candies. And this one is from Micaela. Oh, gusto ko makita ang sulod ani. Hello? The ball pen. Ball pen. Gel. And, wow, a book. Bumut. Hello, grabe sinitayin lang. Di pa. This one is from Hinner. Ako, Cub Scout. Hinner. And, guess kung sino nasasod. Tupliron. Keychain. Wow, thank you. You're making a difference every day. Dinner. And some chocolates. Happy ang mga anak. And this one, Toblerone from MG. Bolado. MG Bolado. And ako yun. My keychain, Mentos, Lollipop, Snickers, Snips from Ian. And Hershey's. This one is from Kaden, ako Cub Scout. And kasi mo ito naghatag na ko ani. Knick-knack. Ako rin siya advisory. Pero nakalimot ko kasi naghatag. And this one is from Renzo. Yes, what is this? Wow! Pwede na dyan bumutingog diha. Thank you, Renzo. And this one is from Monique. Sa grade 5. From Monique. Chocolate. And this one is from Javen. Cub Scout, gihapon siya. And kisa ni paborito? Kisa ni paborito? Kisa ni paborito? Kang Indoy. This one is from Max. Thank you, Max. And wait, there's more. There's more. This one is from King. Thank you, King. May lotion si teacher. And inside, this one is from, I think, so many ball pen. This one is from the other grade. Sa ko grade 5. And Goya. Keychain. Another Hershey's. Ako na lang nagipang-insert diri ang mga chocolates. Kaya nagwala na ako kay sudlanan ganina. Sunod siya. Ito sa... Wait, there's more. There's more. Kani. This one is from Pia. This one is from Pia. Nice one. Taon ha? Kadyo na pag-open. Wow! Pay-pay and another baso. And this one is from the bed. From the bed. Picture planner na i-pick na picture. And then, kanilin ako siya makalimtan. This one is from Scent. My grade 5 Scent. And, wait, there's more. This one is from Nino. So, ang soda ni kay tote bag. Another tote bag. Mapunan ako collection sa tote bag. Last year, naghan ko tote bag. And, wait, there's more. Tadaan! This one is from Clarence. So, na siya flower. And then, water baso. Water baso. Water baso. And, wait, there's more. Kani, wala pa rin ako na-open. Kakin sa kani. Ay, karoan. So, open ako. Tadaan! Wow, lots of chocolates, Hershey's, and Snickers, and a pen. Wow! You're a key part of our team. Thank you, Rowan. Thank you, Rowan. And there's more. There's more. There's a lot here. Pouch. This one is from Kaseya. And there's a love letter out there. Sorry kung pasaway all the time. I will always remember the lesson you taught us. Thank you. I love you. I love you too. And kani, this one is from Biranan. Pencil, a ball pen. And this one is from love letter from Ayesha. I will keep this one kay print give niyo. And ito din ako ibutang siya flower. And this one is from Alexa. A sweets and alcohol. Food and alcohol. And another one, a ball pen. This one is from, I think, from kasi ito naghatag na ko ani. Isa rin naghatag na ko ani ganina. Yan, wala kalimot na ko. And another chocolates from Vince Chavez. Cub Scout. Sweet, basta ako Cub Scout. Oy. And this one, another pouch also. Yung sa mani, walay name. Wala. Sige, wala siya sa ibang. Walay mga name. And this one is from Marcos. Oh, ka-sweet. From Marcos. And another chocolates. Hershey, Goya. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. Sa mani. Wala yung nakabutang name. And pa. From Javen. Candy siguro ang sodani. And another. This one. Ball pen. This is from Mikaela. And also this one. Kauban sa food nga rib shop. And ball pen from King. And this hair clip from Cassidy. Also this hand fan. Pamaypay. And this one is from Don. Okay. And napay mga love letter diri This one is from Macy. From Cassidy. From Cassidy. Oh, diba? Ilajud na din koan. I-drawing. And then a letter. And ini, Happy Teacher's Day. Brightka, from Brightka. Wow. And this is from Princess. And this one is from Macy. Okay. Masa pa? Mapa? Okay, tingkula na. And naguban ka ako nagipang dili na lang sa school. Wala di ay ako nagidatanan. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you so much, my dear students.